ngikhuluma ngoReally. Ku-national team umfana struggle, I will be say that, and I will say confident to really struggle with national teams. And
now the question will be that, of course, you wanted him to play for Uthemba Zwane last time around.
Yeah, if ngithi ngifuna udlale, I judge you based on lama game wadlala kuphethe Premiership, but now ku-national team, that's why today, I say today, he's struggling with national team. I will say.
So it's not a collection of matches that has been struggling.
Honestly,
he only struggled today.
National team is struggling. Not in only today's game. Well, AFCON is struggling. In games, some years to coaches on Umdlalisa as impact players. Very difficult to judge him. Gulama game as a sub. But now AFCON, gune game whereby he came. Lea game Leana na kona struggle. Now even me Temba ngishasho na manje. Mina obvious, I've got nothing against Temba according to whatever is achieved. When you play against this European team, I won't play with Temba because number 10 move off the ball. When you play European, you need to move off the ball. You can't play in front of defense. If you want to, like honestly, when number 10 was South Africa, like you get Ribeiro sort of, I will say search. It's just that it's a difficult to tolu Ribeiro in terms of developing. Ngoba now Temba no mumdlalisa. It's going to be difficult. Yes, kula team like Africa can beat them, Abu Nigerian stuff, because when you make no mistake, it's got a brain football. But when you play this European team, preparing for World Cup, number 10 was off the ball. Number 10 was a control game. Number 10 will take responsibility. Urile in today's game, very difficult for him. And you only thinking about disappointed. You must have off the ball. In today's game, Pelu Frosta Mageza, ngiyazi uzodlala behind. Kuthi kuphethwe isimbonile yenza lento. Run behind. You stress defend and angeke umlandele if runs is so skillful. Also nokuthatha responsibility. Ngiyazi ukuthi abo 1v1 uzokulanda urile or 1-2. Try and create something out of nothing. Urile lo ngimazi. But now labantu abayithuba ama wing. I don't think bamcomplimented too far. Nomfana nomalibamba when he look angeke azakuphasa ipalini njengala direct next to the like ayeke ukuya direct epalini.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.